Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. How you doing? I got a great video for you today, all about the brand new ViralStyle t-shirt fulfillment app and Shopify integration. Okay, and I know a lot of you have been waiting for ViralStyle to come out with their Shopify app. It's finally out, and it looks great. I'm going to walk you through how to get this integrated on any Shopify store, and best part is it's totally free. So we're going to be able to go ahead. The only thing that you need to do is have a ViralStyle account. And you can go to that link on your screen right now, vs.justinsenior.com. So go ahead and pause this. Go to vs.justinsenior.com and create a ViralStyle account if you don't already have one. Now, if you already have a ViralStyle account, you're already set up in regards to your account. But if you don't have one, vs.justinsenior.com. Go ahead and get that ready, and we can start from there. Okay. And if you don't know what ViralStyle is, it's one of the top print-on-demand T-shirt platforms. Okay. And if you don't know what print-on-demand T-shirts are, then you're missing out on really one of the best business opportunities out there, if not the best, in my opinion. And just the quick 15-second version of it. Basically, you get to sell T-shirts and different forms of apparel and phone cases without ever actually spending a dollar on the inventory. All of the inventory is ready on demand, and that means when you make a sale on your Shopify store, then the T-shirt or the hat or whatever the item is, then it gets produced. Okay, it gets produced on demand, and it's demanded after the order. So cash flow positivity. Okay, and that's just one of the many reasons why the T-shirt print-on-demand business is just so powerful. And ViralStyle, like I said, is one of the best, and their Shopify app is now out. So let's go ahead and take a look at it over here, and we'll go here, and here's that vs.justinsenior.com. You're going to be able to come over here and create your account. Okay, you just enter in whatever you want. You don't really have to worry about this ViralStyle unique URL because you're going to be selling on Shopify through the app, but you do need to have a ViralStyle account to get this set up. So I'm just going to log in to mine real quick. All right, so I'm logged into a little test account here, and now what we're going to do is go into go to the Shopify App Store and actually go ahead and get the ViralStyle app. And because it's so new, it's actually not even inside of the Shopify App Store search results. All you need to do is go to blog.viralstyle.com, and you're going to get that direct link right over here. Okay, so we just go into this blog post, Shopify post ViralStyle, and we can come right over here, get started today, and click this button. It's going to go into this, it says right here, because this is literally brand new. It just came out today. This app is unpublished, but it will get officially published soon. Either way, this is fully ready to go. And as you can see, it says it's free, no inventory, no equipment, no monthly fees, totally free to get started. All you need is your ViralStyle account, which we already created over there at vs.justinsenior.com. Okay, so now we're going to go over here, and we're going to click Get, and this is going to now install the ViralStyle fulfillment app onto our Shopify store. I got a little test store here. Okay, we're going to go ahead and give it permission to install the app. And because we're already logged in, because we just registered over there at vs.justinsenior.com, it's going to recognize our account immediately. And you see I already have a couple T-shirts, or one T-shirt that I tested in earlier in terms of just building a shirt in here. We're going to do the same thing. Before you get started, though, it's going to say you need to create an account, or you basically need to link a payment option on here in order to get started. Okay, so you're going to first come over here to Options, and you're going to link your information. Okay, and you see I've already entered in my information over here. You're going to enter in your payment information, because remember, you need to have basically a payment method on file, because this is print on demand. So after you already get paid for the order, right, then ViralStyle is going to step in and start producing the order. That's when they need to charge you. But at that point, it's already cash flow positive, right? You've already received the money from your customer, okay? Come over here to plugin configuration, and we're going to want to check both of these boxes, okay? First of all, auto-fulfill orders, right? I mean, that's a no-brainer, right? We want ViralStyle to automatically get the order from Shopify, and that's going to happen through code, right? We don't need to tell them about it or anything. This app integration does this for us, and we want them to start producing it immediately. Okay, so keep that checked. And then down here, I like to check this as well. Okay, with paid marketing, paid traffic, you want to you want to make it so there's as few clicks as possible to get to checkout. Okay, and if someone lands on your ad and they click through, and you have a T-shirt on one page and a hoodie on another page, and they land on the T-shirt page, well, you're making it much harder for them to actually check out with the product that they want. So I always check this box. Okay, this means that they're going to upload all of the styles, right? Like let's say men's T-shirt, women's, hoodies, hat, all within the same product on your Shopify store. It'll basically be one product with different variants, and that's how I like to do it. Okay, so you go ahead and save these store options, and now we can come over to campaigns. Okay, we'll come to campaigns, and we're going to click this Create New Campaign button. If you don't have any campaigns when you just get started, you're just going to click Campaigns, and it's going to load into this campaign generation window, which basically looks like this. Okay, everything happens inside of the app on ViralStyle's Shopify app. You're never going to leave this site. The only thing that you need to do is, before this, go to that vs.justincenter.com and create your account, so you're logged in and it recognizes you. Okay, and you can see all the different products here, and these are the ones that a lot of people are super excited about, right? The all-over print, the 3D sublimation. You literally have a design that goes on the entire shirt. Your canvas is the entire shirt. That's really cool. Phone cases, jewelry, mugs, also, pretty interesting products, and of course the whole line of apparel, right? Short sleeve, long sleeve, hoodies, ladies, tank tops, V-necks, kids cuts, everything. Okay, so let's just go ahead and build a basic unisex tee. Okay, we'll select this one. There's a couple different options. We'll select this. And, this is just like every other t-shirt print-on-demand platform, right? You're going to go ahead and design your shirt right here, okay? They call this the ViralStyle Designer. And we're going to come over here, we're going to upload an image, and I'm just going to take a random pig design, just because that's what I randomly have over here. And I'm just going to upload this design file that you would have received from your graphic designer, your t-shirt designer, and I'm simply uploading it on top of the t-shirt, okay? And you can see the price, the cost over here. You make about $9.60. I'm sorry, that would be the cost of the shirt, $9.60 if you were to sell 50. And ViralStyle doesn't care if you sell 1 or 100. They're going to print it no matter what. They're just, they do give bulk discounts, okay? So keep that in mind. This is your price if you, the cost of the shirt if you sell 50 copies, but they will print 1, okay? There's no minimums. Okay, so we got our design here. Now we're going to go to the next step where we're going to select the colors of our shirt and add additional products. So let's, we have black. Let's also add this green just for fun. And how about we add a ladies tee? Okay, we'll add this, and also a hoodie. Okay, we'll add that. We'll just close that out. Now we're going to set our pricing. Okay, I'll do $22.99 for everything. Shirts, right? So $22.99, $22.99. Hoodies $39.99. I'm good. I'm going to add black here, and you can see the colors that are selected, they turn into circles. They used to be squares for unselected. Circle is selected. Okay, so you see black is selected. Let's add this green. Okay, black and green. Okay, and now we'll go to the last step where we're going to give the product a title. I'll just call this I Love Pigs. Okay, and we'll put anything in here, limited edition, whatever. You can copy and paste my high converting templates from the bootcamp. You could add tags if you want. These will get sent over into Shopify, and then you just need to agree to the terms of service, and you're going to press launch. Okay. Now, what happens here is a little bit different than some of the other t-shirt print-on-demand partners. Basically, what's happening here is it's going to go from ViralStyle into a queue. Okay. So right now it's in a queue, and you can see it right here. Right now, the status is that it's creating the campaign. Okay. A campaign sits here. A campaign is not the final product, though. A campaign is basically an intermediate step. So we built the campaign. Now the campaign is over here. It's basically creating it over here. And then once it's ready, we're going to have a green button pop over here that imports it into Shopify. So just creating the campaign is not the last step. Okay, this is a little bit different than some of the print-on-demand partners that you might have used before. You do need to take it from this campaign level and actually import it. Okay, so you create the campaign, then you import the campaign. I'm going to reload this and see if this is ready. Okay, it's still creating the campaign. So we'll give it a couple seconds, and then we'll come back. All right, so we're ready to go here. This took about 35 seconds, and this import into Shopify button appeared. Okay, and we're going to click this button, and we could send it to a category for one. I'm just going to put it onto the front page. Okay, but any collection, which are just categories, or any collection you have on Shopify will populate here. Okay, and we'll continue and send that over. So it's going to process the import. And as of right now, there's actually still one more step that you have to do, and I'm not sure if they're going to keep this in there or not. Basically there's one more step, and I'm going to show you. We need to publish the product. It's going to get pushed to Shopify as a hidden product, and obviously that's not going to do you any good. We need to publish this product, and I'm going to show you how to do that. We need to go over into the products page, and we'll see if this I Love Pigs product is in here already. Okay, I Love Pigs, you see it says hidden. Okay, we need to remove that. Now again, they might remove that from the app in terms of not making this a requirement, but right now what you have to do is come over here and click Online Store for visibility, and then save it. And that's going to change this preview into a view link, and that means it's actually live on your store. Okay, so now it says view. Now we can go over here to our store and actually take a look at all the products, right? All the different sizes, etc., etc. All the variants. Everything gets pushed over, all the mock-ups front and back get created automatically by the ViralStyle app. And this product is ready to be purchased, ready to be printed on demand. So let's say a customer comes in here, and we do some great Facebook ads, and I teach you how to do that inside the boot camp. You do the ads, you get purchases, right? Some pig lover buys this shirt. Okay, and they place the order and they pay you. Okay, and what happens next? Well, for you, nothing. Okay, your job is done at that point. You made the sale. Now ViralStyle is going to come in. They're going to print the shirt. They're going to package the shirt, right? They're going to stick it into a bubble mailer. They're going to print out a shipping label. They're going to stick the label on the package, drop it in the mail, and on your behalf, they're going to send an email to this customer saying, hey, this item has shipped. Here's the tracking number, and here's the tracking link, so you can go ahead and track it. And let me tell you, that's going to definitely cut down on your customer service, because by far the number one post-sale question is, when am I going to get my item? How can I track my item? What's my tracking number? Okay, so ViralStyle Fulfillment through Shopify does it all for you, totally free. Go ahead and get that account set up first at vs.justinscener.com. Remember that you need to go over, as of right now, into the blog.viralstyle.com, because the app is currently private. Okay, you need to come over here to get that direct link. Okay, the app is free. You just need to get the direct link here, but make sure that you have that account created first. Otherwise, it's not going to recognize your login. Okay, so here's how you do it. Try it out. ViralStyle, one of the leading print-on-demand companies, so I think you're going to enjoy this app.